Hey, welcome back to the Ponics Haven. This is a update on, not really an update, but we are starting back over on the Tea Jug propagation for the roses. So they should have already started rooting by then, but they didn't. So the reason is I cut too old of a cuttings, which therefore they'll probably root, but it'll take longer than what I wanted. But I want to give this the best possible outcome that it can get, give it the best chance. So I went this morning and bought some roses, and I'm going to show you how to take this right here, these little 5 roses that I bought at Walmart. They are Cheyenne roses, and we are going to take them, do some cuttings with them. I'll get probably a good bit of cuttings out of these, and we are going to root them. Okay, so stay tuned, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Hit that like button down there. Come on, y'all know you can do it. Come on. Before we get into this video, I need you to hit that like button, because it helps so much for the algorithms in YouTube. So I'm sure you know all about this already, but hit that like button, and please give me a comment down below at the end of this video how you liked it or not liked it, or concerns, or something that you can help with it. Give me some pointers or whatever. I would love to hear from you. So any further distractions, just get into this video and just get this thing set up so we can grow some roses. Alright, we're going to start off with this one. Let's see, we got some pretty good. Now I see where they cut this one off right there at a little nub, where as you can look, you see where these nubs are, and you look here, see where they cut that off, cut right there at one. That's good, but we're going to take, and I'm going to cut this thing in an angle. Alright? Oh man, that's just pretty. Okay, and then we're going to cut this one, let's say about that far, just right above that knob right there. There's 2 knobs. Give us two knobs down there. So we're going to cut right above that one. Okay, there's this one cutting. Okay, now I've got this. I can get one more cutting out of this, and what I'm going to do, we're going to pull that off. It's already having some buds coming up on this already, so we're going to leave them things there. And so we are going to cut, you see, I'm going to cut this right above, just kind of keep them about the same length. Yeah, we can cut this right there. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut that straight. Alright, there we go. Now, you ain't got to throw these things away. You can take them, put them in a little small jar, short jar, and let your wife enjoy them. So we're going to set that aside. Alright, here's another one we're going to do. Alright, these had some thorns on them. We're going to go right above that one right there. There's a little nub there. We'll go above that one. Give it a clean, nice new cut. Alright, and then we're going to go above this knob and cut it right there. Wait, almost lost that one. But yeah, just kind of lay your things the same direction where you know where they're coming from. And then we're going to cut this right there. Okay. Now, these are broke, so I'm just going to just pop them off. Okay. Pop them off. Alright. There's 4 of them. Alright. Now I could say, I'm not going to sit here and cut all of them up. So we're going to stop. I'm going to get right back with you when I get all these. Alright. We're back. I've got the roses cut off. I've got them. I've got out of those, you see, 5 roses. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cuttings. So 2 per rose. Now, what I have here is some Clonex rooting gel. I love this stuff. It works really good. It's by Growth Technologies. You can buy it off of Amazon. But what I'm going to do is take this and dip it in. I'm going to hold it there for 10 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright. It is a gel now. So, kind of wipe off the excess a little bit. And then I'm just going to lay it right here where it's kind of hanging off the edge of my desk here. Alright. And let's do this one again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright. There's another one, and we've got one more. Let's do this one. Two, if you have like some thorns, knock those thorns off. Okay? And what you're going to have is a area where they're going to root at. They'll root from those thorns being pulled off. Anywhere there is a wound, they will root. So, most of the time. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright. Alright, we're going to lay this one down. Just take this Clonex and put the lid on it where we won't spill it. We'll put that off to the side. Now, last time I had this and had the rubber band wrapped around it and stuck down in there, and it was holding them up. But I did something different. I've got this. Well, I slung water everywhere. Anyway, I took a soldering iron and just slit holes in this and in the bottom with a soldering iron. And what we're going to do is just set that down in there. It fits right down in there. And as you can see, I've put distilled water. We want to give this the best chance possible. We've got distilled water in there. And we're going to take these cuttings and just set them in that. Just let them set. Yeah, they're going to fall around, but as long as it's holding the top of the stem out of the water. That's all I wanted it to do. Alright, so let's get all these dropped down in there. I know we got some leaves on some of these. We're going to see what happens, because I have rooted. I'm going to pull some of these leaves off. This is a whole lot. There. Now I'm going to pull that off. There is some leaves that are starting on this, so I'm just going to leave it like that. Since it's got new growth, we're going to put that in there. And let's get these other two dropped down in there. Okay? Alright. There we have it. Now, we talked about what, on the last video, what I used to, if you go and look at some of my older videos, you'll find that I had a aquaponics system. Used to have a greenhouse with aquaponics system in it. Alright? And by doing that, I learned a few things. And you had to aerate the water to get oxygen into it. But the stone, when it pushes air out of it and it goes into the water, it doesn't mean that it's oxygenating the water. What happens is that the reason why you use the air to bubble up is that it moves the water. When the water is moving, it oxygenates itself when the water is moving. So that's why you see, that's the reason why you see bubbles in a tank, air rocks and stuff like that. All it's doing is moving the water so that it will oxygenate it. So anyway, but this is what we got, and today is, yes, look, today is the 13th. Alright, July the 13th. We are going to start this, and we're going to see what happens. Okay? Alright, so this is day 1 in there, July the 13th. So be looking for some more updates on this. So, and we'll see what it will do, and if it doesn't do anything, we know this sucks and not to do it. So this is Craig with Ponics Haven. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you again for all the times you've watched my videos and your support on this channel. And please like the button down there, hit the like button. Please give me a comment on what you think about the video, and do some if you have anything that will help with this, please I would love to hear from you. So because I'm not the smartest guy, as you can probably tell with my videos. But anyway, I'm just trying to experiment and try to do some things. So anyway, thank you for watching, and God bless you, and until next time, stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.